All these mussels use fish as hosts. During their juvenile stage, they parasitize the gills of the fish. So each one of them have these individual unique lures to attract their specific host fish.
The two species that we're releasing today are two federally endangered mussels, the oyster mussel and the Cumberlandian comb shell. And the reason they're endangered is because of habitat loss over time. So the construction of dams and the reservoirs that are impounded behind the dams created a loss of habitat for these species.
Historically, these shoals were covered, with 25 to 30 species of different mussels. And these mussels, they are filter feeders, and they actually filter gallons of water every day individually. All of their populations have declined, and so the water quality has suffered because we've lost that part of the ecosystem. These mussels have very low survival when they're young, and so it takes a lot of work just to get them to these larger sizes. And we know if we don't grow them to these larger sizes, they won't survive like if we release them when they're still too small. So two benefits: they're larger, they have better survival. We also can tag them and then follow them through time.
So if you look around, you'll see this broad shoal. The water's shallow here. There's nice gravel substrate. So when we see good stable substrate like this, we see native mussels here and they're reproducing on their own. That's a good sign that the river's healthy here, and then we can put mussels back at this particular site.